Alright mga lods, nandito tayo sa Crocodile Farm mga lods. Bili lang tayo ng ticket para
Tatawag man yan.
Ano po? Magkano po ticket?
40 po, sir.
40 bayad ng ticket mga lods. Papasok ka dito sa loob ng Crocodile Farm.
Address niyo po.
Dasmariñas, Cavite. Layo no? Nakarating dito.
40 lang, sir.
Crocodile Farm mga lods dito sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Pangalan lang.
Yes, isang name lang po.
Alright. Mga lods. Pinakamalaking skeleton ng crocodile mga lods. Mahaba. Ito yung kanyang balat mga lods. Hindi lang pala crocodile lang nandito mga lods. May mga wild bird din sila nandito. Look. Ang laki ng turtle mga lods.
Okay, excuse me everyone. Let's start our tour. Okay, before we proceed to the live crocodiles, we will have a short briefing. So, good morning everyone. Welcome to Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. This is formerly known as Crocodile Farming Institute. By the way, my name is Aaron. I'm your guide for today's tour. So, this crocodile named Rio, R-I-O. Rio is a male salt-water crocodile which was caught in the Rio River in Batarasa, southern part of Palawan. He has a length of 17.6 feet or around 5 meters. And he was captured because he accidentally killed the local fishermen from the area and he swallowed the right leg of the victim. But only the right leg because the crocodile, they can swallow the whole human body. They can consume 1 to 2% of their body weight. And after 5 months of his captivity, Rio died due to stress related to his transport on 1991. And this is the real skin of Rio. It has no commercial value because ideally the one being used for leather bag, shoes, and other products are from 3 to 5 years old saltwater crocodile. Since Rio is 60 years old when he died, his skin is too hard and very dry, cannot be crushed by the machine. If you heard about crocodile products like crocodile sisig, burger, and crocodile ice cream, crocodile ice cream is made from
Crocodile ice cream.
eggs. But those products are from Rizal and Davao. Here in Palawan, we do not kill crocodiles for commercial, only for conservation, because this facility is owned by Philippine government. And we have a photo booth at the entrance area if you want to experience holding a live crocodile. So you can hold 3 to 4 years old saltwater crocodile there. It's safe because their mouth is overlaid. And do you know Lolong? Lolong is also a male saltwater crocodile and recognized by the Guinness Book of World Record for being the largest crocodile in captivity. So Lolong is from the National Museum in Manila and he's from Agusan del Sur in Mindanao. And Lolong is 6 meters, 1 meter longer than Mindanao. Everyone, let's proceed to our first station. Let's go.
Alright.
So our first station here in our exhibit room. So here you can read some information about crocodiles. So let's proceed inside.
Pasok na po. crocodile eggs, mga lods. Ang mga nakatagong mga crocodile ito, mga lods.
Overseeing our real stock.
Yan ang itlog ng crocodiles, mga lods. Yung ibang crocodile, mga lods, nandun sa Senado nangingitlog. Yan. That's it. Ito yata yung lambat na pinanghuli, mga lods. Ang laki ng skill na to. Head skill, mga lods. Ito. Yan nahuli nila. Ito yung lambat na pinanghuli nila, mga lods.
Nagkalaba doon sa ilog.
Okay, our next station, Hatchling House. So here you will see 1 to 3 years old freshwater and saltwater crocodiles. So you can take a picture of them. Just turn up the flashlight cameras to minimize the stress of the young crocodiles. So yeah, everyone, let's proceed inside. And you will see them inside the tank.
Kulungan ng mga crocodile, mga lods. Dapat dito kukulong yung mga crocodile dun sa Senado, mga lods. Ito medyo malaki-laki ng konti. Ito marami.
And also, they are nocturnal. So they are more active. They are more active during at night.
Crocodile farm, mga lods.
Okay, everyone, let's proceed to our next station.
Punta daw tayo sa pinakamalaking crocodile na nandito, mga lods. Kasing laki nung skill na nakita natin sa lobby. 80 years old, mga lods.
So aside from crocodiles, we have other wildlife animals here. So those birds are also critically endangered, and they are confiscated from the illegal poacher. Mine na. So this one, he's a male saltwater crocodile, and his name is Aklan, and he's now 70 years old.
It's look like pregnant.
But he's a male. And this one, his name is Mar from southern part of Palawan, and he also killed the fishermen. That's why he brings here.
May nakapatay na silang season.
Sleeping Beauty, mga lods, nandito.
This one underneath, our oldest and also the longest crocodile. So he's
The
now 8
oldest and
years
the longest crocodile
and approximately 17 feet, almost same size of Rio.
in Palawan.
And his name is Makmak from Macarascas, Puerto Princesa.
Name is Makmak.
Here lang po sa Puerto.
Okay,
For the
mga
big
lods.
crocodiles naman po, we feed them once a week. And yeah, they can consume 5 to 10 kilograms of fresh meat. So, but since they have a slow metabolism, so they can survive up to 1 year without eating.
Ito mataba, oh.
Good dapat. So, crocodiles po, hindi po talaga sila totoong matatakaw. Apo. Hindi rin po sila corrupt.
Anong pinagkaiba ng crocodile sa alligator?
Difference naman po nila sir, crocodiles po, V-shape po yung bibig. And sa mga tropical countries po nakatira, alligator po, U-shape yung bibig. Tapos sa mga ano po sila sa mga malalamig na lugar sa USA, China, hindi po nila kaya mabuhay sa mga tropical countries katulad sa ating Pilipinas. Tsaka less aggressive po sila. And sa fresh water lang po sila nakatira. Saltwater crocodile po, most aggressive po sa buong mundo. Ito po talaga yung mga umaatake sa mga tao. So these are 8 years old Philippine crocodiles. Ito po yung mga native.
Mga native na crocodile.
Nakalunod lang.
Galong-galong, baka mag-throw.
So ganyan lang po talaga sila pag umaga.
Pag umaga hindi nagalaw, ano? Katatapos lang pakainin.
Last week pa po sila pinakain.
Every week pinapakain. Wow.
So this is the ideal size for making leather products.
Leather product.
But leather products are from private crocodile farms.
Wallet,
Here.
shoes.
Not here in facility. So when they open their mouth, they're regulating their body temperature
It's too hot.
or cooling down.
Okay.
And this one, his name is Pao B from Tawi-Tawi,
Powdy.
and he is the most aggressive.
Aggressive.
So when he smell food,
See?
for example,
Aggressive
when
na,
he
oh.
smell chickens,
Na
or
galaw.
so he can jump until here.
What?
So he's
Pao
now
B.
25 years old. At this age of crocodile,
Tumalon
they
na
are aggressive.
Australia.
And that one, that's the maximum size of freshwater or Philippine crocodile. And her name is Pinay because she is a female Philippine crocodile.
Pinay.
That's why Pinay. Okay, everyone, our guided tour is end here, but you can proceed to our nature park if you want to use some other animals. So nature park is a self-guided tour. And for those who want to hold a live crocodile, just proceed to our photo booth at the entrance area.
Okay. Alright mga lods. Balik na tayo. Exit. Sorry. Hahawak tayo ng crocodile mga lods.
Ay, baka may pampunas dyan.
Doon sa kinunan mo kanina.
Ano po?
60.
Ah. 60 ang bayad mga lods sa paghawak na crocodile mga lods. Alright. Saan tayo sunod?